What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I'm going to do a tugging video of the Icy Shikes. I really hope some point this thing will get used this weekend or next weekend, I don't know exactly. But last time we got this thing used, and since this thing got used almost since last year exactly, which I hope at some point this thing will get used. This one's mine here, you see, because it's got the, like anything else you can see. I always get this one down here, this one up here. I always get these backwards a little bit because you can see how much expected this thing is, which it's definitely not really expected this machine, so I really hope some point this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly. And this is the other one you can see because you can see how much expected, but I do kind of like this thing. Sometimes the top piece does not want to come off easy, which I'm used to seeing how much expected this thing is. Because I hope some point this will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which I mean, they will. They will get used to it again this year. If it's this weekend or next weekend, I don't know exactly, but I'm hoping some point they both will get used to it this year. Because you think about it. I mean, you can see how much expected this thing, which I know some point this thing will get used this year for 2025, exactly, which I really hope some point both of these will get used this year for 2025, exactly, in the pool a little bit. But it's really how much you expected this machine, exactly. So I really do hope some point both of these will get used this year for 2025, exactly, which I mean, it's not a bad looking machine in my opinion, but you can see how much expected this thing's gonna get used almost like quite a bit because, well, you know how expected this thing's gonna get used almost like quite a bit times because I do hope both of these will get used this year for 2025 exactly. I promise that this thing will get used this year for 2025 exactly, which they will. They will get used again this weekend. I'm really hope at some point this thing will get used this weekend for 2025 exactly, which well, because I do hope some point the both will get used this year because, I mean, I really hope some of this thing will get used this year because this is a pretty nice looking machine. My opinion, this thing will get used this weekend.